When's the last time you talked to all of the people in your database? So that's the first question. And then number two, do you have them in the database and with the name, address, and phone number? Because here's what you want to do. You want to, write this down, email weekly, snail mail monthly, and call them every other month. You with me? Email weekly, snail mail monthly, and call them every other month. Now, this is one of those switches you have to turn off. Turn off the switch that says, well, what am I going to email? What am I going to mail? What am I going to say? Stop it. Okay, stop it. Turn your head off right now. Okay? Just assume we're going to help give you that information. So don't even worry about it. Now, if you do that, we've proven that 200, and you do that over a 12-month period, that 200 you will get either directly or indirectly. Either they'll want to do business with you or they'll refer somebody to do business with you. 10% of that number in the form of business referral to you in a 12-month period. So 200 people, 10% of that is what? 20 people. So you should do 20 deals from that in a 12-month period. If you email weekly, snail mail monthly, and phone call them every other month. Now, just in a common sense thought process, do you think that's probably going to happen or not? Common sense. If you talk to your people that often, professionally, on a regular basis, is it fair to assume they're going to give you some business? Yes or no?